Good morning. Today I thought we could have a look at this. It's a yellow flashing light, often seen to mark roadworks. Well, it is here in the UK. It's very simple in operation. It flashes, and to stop it you rotate it, and to start it you rotate it back the other way. Yes, I know some of the more sophisticated ones have a switch on them and some have photo cells. This one has neither. Just rotate it to stop, rotate it back the other way to start. No photocell, no switch. Let's open it up. Inside we have 6-volt battery, dry cell, lens, and the actual unit itself. Let's zoom in for you. It's very simple, as you can see. So no switch as such, only the contacts. It's got 2 transistors, a capacitor, and 2 resistors. That's it. And yes, this is the original lamp. I know this for a fact because I've never changed it in all the time I've had it. But the reason it's lasted so long is not because it's a super duper quality lamp. It's because, truth be known, I don't use it very often. Most of the time it just sits here collecting dust. Let's put it back together again. Let's zoom back out. It just clips on the top. Get it in the right place. There we go. One of the good things I will say about it is the lens configuration. Although we already know that lamp is in the middle, from a distance it looks like the lamp is taller than what it actually is, because obviously the way the lens has these ribs here and there. These ribs are pointing up and these ones are pointing down. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Yes, I really did pay for it when I bought it. Battery wasn't included, as most things weren't in them days. I do have other videos, please have a look. And if you want to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.